Yeah, we are live. Can you start, Gautam?
Can I start?
Yeah, you can start.
Right. Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Team Anajory, let me welcome you all to this webinar called Anajory's Tuesday Art and Craft Session. Before I introduce our speaker for the day, let me brief you about Anajory. Anajory an Assamese word, Ohomia Hobda, which means unconditional love. It's a non-profit platform founded by Mr. Milind Datta in 2017. Having worked outside India for many years, Milind is on a mission to give back to the society. So the Bart of Anajory with a sole motto to touch upon lives of people in all possible ways. So Milind, you have to come and show your face. All right. The objective of this platform, Anajory, is to engage and promote various kinds of initiatives that are striving for social change, leadership building, and entrepreneurship in Assam and Northeast, to be precise. During the course of the last few months, with prevailing pandemic situation, Anajory continued social engagement through virtual media. One amongst many such is this webinar, where we invite speakers who are engaged in various fields to create a network amongst people working in Northeast India. Team Anajory has dedicated 7 days of this week to different fields of work. Today being our Tuesday, it's Anajory's Art and Craft Day. What is art? It's an expression or application of human creative skill and imagination. Today, art doesn't mean only painting, music, or dance forms, etc. It encompasses all the areas where human creativity has given shape to something productive. Mati, again an Assamese word. It means soil, Mother Earth. It's a Guwahati-based non-profit platform. It's a space not only for the nonprofits to sell their handicrafts, it also enables artists to share their insights and crafts through various initiatives and events. It's a platform for artists and alike to share their stories along with selling their handicrafts. Today, we are fortunate to have Mr. Rishival Sharma, the brain behind Mati Center, who will share his journey and learning experiences. Rishi doesn't believe that he has done anything yet, but does agree with me that his learning experiences so far can definitely help the viewers. So let us welcome Rishiraz Sharma and hear his stories of success, as well as he highlights stories of failures also, okay, mistakes, and inspire our budding entrepreneurs. So over to you, Rishi.
Yeah, thank you, Mridusmita. And firstly, I think you all can hear me. So, firstly, it's a beautiful platform in terms of whatever the team Energy has put against the hard work in terms of creating such things. Because the biggest challenge out here is we need to hear different stories from each one. What I always believe in. When you talk about art as a medium, it's a very wide subject because art has been it's not a subject which on one line I can sum it up to. So in my journey, so every person is an artist for me actually. Today, whoever the new people I'm meeting across, I'm speaking to, I'm interacting with, everyone is an art subject for me because everyone has the potential. It's not a today whoever not a person who cannot do a painting or something not with his hands is not an artist. We all have stories actually, which I strongly believe in, and those stories are important for our inspirations. What I feel about it actually. So this is what the journey which already Mridusmita has shared in terms of it's not about I as a brainchild or something which I will always love to impose upon it. Whatever I am today, or whatever I have learned because of the community actually, they have taught me everything. I was completely clueless when I went into the journey of understanding is an art subject for me, because every something he cannot make with his hands is not an artist. We for our interior there was to establish a statement, living as an art. So that is a statement which made me composite enough to look for stories, to understand the process. You all have stories actually, which I strongly believe in, often for our inspirations here in terms of it's not about it's a milestone only when we. So there is a huge whole of the North story is
Rishi,
journey
please,
so that is where it comes from
Rishi,
actually. So there is a huge challenge in the whole of the
Rishi,
Northeast.
could you please hold on? Priyanshu, I think there is some technical lag there.
Yeah, that's why
can-
we need to close this video for
Uh,
some time. Yeah.
what do we
Yeah.
need to do, Priyanshu?
I
Could you
close it.
please guide us?
Yeah, I think now it's fine. Now we will hear him.
And
Okay,
also
so-
others,
Video, yeah.
and others also should turn off their videos.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Except you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where I was like in terms
Yeah,
of
it's
so
clear
my
now.
okay, so my journey about understanding art as a language was to understand the people, the community, and that's where the whole journey, the experience and the journey comes from. So this is a little bit of thing, and whatever I am today, it's only because of the people, because their stories were so powerful. I was only there to stitch them up and to tell it to the world in a very different language, whatever way I can.
Okay, well said, Rishi. So, could you please tell us where did you get the idea of Mati?
Okay, so the journey was like it's been almost 13-14 years in a constructive manner. So initially we used to sell handicrafts. Didn't understood the aspect of why I was selling handicraft, because me and my wife were very curious to visit very rural areas. The initial starting of days actually, and whenever we visited some rural areas, we used to map around the NGOs nearby. It can be in Bihar, it can be in anywhere, wherever we were traveling to understand the whole aspect of the handicrafts. So these NGOs used to sell a lot of different things on the livelihood project. Normally, the NGO set of the concept of an NGO outside of Assam is very different than the aspect of an NGO here. So there comes the art and craft, whatever the terminology appears. So, like I'll give you an example about Bunker Roy's Barefoot College. So they have they teach education to grandmothers. Their whole concept is about, and they have engineers and everything. But they have another wing which used to sell handmade things, which the women used to make. It can be anything, a paper bag or anything. So that way the idea clicked. Like when I got back to my place, why can't we do something like this to tap around NGOs, to tap around SSGs, to tap around a lot of these innovative young people who are doing a lot of things? And there was a market actually. So we started documenting all these, whatever we can, with the communities. So that way the chain has been built actually. A story from a community, why he is making it, then summing it up to a place where we can sell. So
that's
we were always
that's how Mati is born, right?
Initial phase of the Mati was purely into selling handicrafts. I couldn't understood much more than that actually. But in the year 2016-15 onwards, I started meeting various young artists of the region actually. Not only making handicrafts, somebody's doing a street art, somebody's doing a documentary, somebody's doing a photo series on very different topics actually.
Okay.
So I thought, anyways, the archival work of Assam is very on a lower side. I won't blame anyone for this. Even I'm also to be blamed actually, majorly. Like if you talk about the Assam agitation, it happened in the 70s. We don't have a photo journal book. You talk about the Bangladesh massacre, you talk about Bangladesh war, all the photography books are there in place. Just go and search on the Google. So I think there is a genuine gap. There is a genuine gap to tell stories on a different level now. So we thought, instead of only selling handicrafts, why can't we create a space where the artist can take it up to a different level? You can express your whatever your thoughts are. Because the problem is that we need to create a market first to understand each other. And this has helped in creating a name called Mati, because I used to sit outside the Indian Habitat Center for long because I used to love those programs. Then I used to dream actually, काश मेरा भी ऐसा एक होता. at one, not in as terms of the infrastructure, but in terms of the content. I was
Yes.
never into infrastructure or something or the other. Kash, मैं भी कुछ कर पाता ऐसा. So one day I called a friend of mine who was an artist. I told him, boss, I have selected the name. Can you draw me a logo?
Mm.
Then he said, what is the name? I thought of the only Mati, but I thought, let's pick up the center from Indian Habitat Center.
Mm.
Let it be an idea of different meanings, actually. And that's the exact thing what happened. I got to know so many people. I got to learn so many things.
Wow. Well said. It's not only regarding the craft, it's an
See,
expression.
to be very honest, craft is one part of it.
Yeah.
Anything you have to sell, you have to have a story behind it, what I feel. And when we come to Northeast, I am challenging a huge portion of it, not as an emotional aspect story only.
What's there in your mind when you say that
Uh,
you're challenging? What is there in your mind?
Suppose if I give an example about Calcutta as a city,
Mm.
if I show you a picture of a yellow taxi without anything written, I think 99% of you will stand up and say Calcutta.
Correct.
That's the impression of Calcutta is. Obviously, Calcutta is dirty. Those things people doesn't talk about. Calcutta is a communist place. We don't talk about that. We say proudly Calcutta. I know this place.
Mm.
But when we give a representation of Assam and Northeast, unfortunately, even I'm also a part of it. It's not saying that I'm doing everything correct.
Correct.
These are the mistakes
Yes.
which I am doing it, which I want the young generation not to do it. Be it on entrepreneurship, the stories have to be exactly on the plate. So we have to take a very sorry figure in, like floods comes every year, so this community has to survive. We have to sell this. I don't want to do that, actually. I never did it.
Mhm.
I put it on the other side. This is a 500-year-old tradition of the customs, which people used to do. It has medicinal values, and I want to sell. Ma'am, you're going to buy this product, which I'm telling now. So there are many things. Before we go into the entrepreneurship model, there are a few things we need to correct ourselves. Like in many phases, you've been seeing, we use the word called tribals. I hate it, actually. And these are my observations. I'm not a learned man. I've never learned anything. But when we say a word called tribal, we are already creating a huge wall between people, actually.
Mm. It is
Which
somewhat
already,
similar to right now. People
yes.
are talking about using the word migrant. How can I be a migrant in my own
How?
place?
Obviously.
It's correct.
So why can't we use a word called community-made produces or community-made handicraft or whatever you want to name it?
True.
So we have to be correct in our phase. What is the vision we want to carry, and what are the stories, actually?
Yes. So what would be your, I would like you to share a little bit about your journey in terms of Majuli.
Okay.
You have spent a lot of time in Majuli doing different kinds of activities. So I think that would be very interesting
Yeah.
thing to learn from you.
Like as today's main session is on entrepreneurship, I'm going to tell you, don't define the journey, actually. It
Okay.
happened with me. I was never good in studies, honestly. Always a 50-degree kind of scorer. Always. Never good in studies. But the amount of learning I have learned from the community people is immense, actually. And it challenged me. Do we really need those degrees or whatever you want to name it, those whatever? Because the human value is so expensive and so special, we don't need any other things, actually, to just create a story. So whoever wants to be an entrepreneur, it needs nothing. If you can give time honestly, just jump into it and don't fix anything, because the stories will lead you to anywhere. Now in another 2 years time, I never thought of, like, even my mother questions me every time. She's a sweet lady, but she questions me, are you mad, are you crazy? So but that's okay. But that's the way. I never thought I'm going to come up with a school, actually, in Majuli. It's beyond comparison, seeing my background and everything. But the people wanted.
Yeah, so it is all need based. I mean, when you went to Majuli,
Obviously.
you had something in your mind, and then
Yes.
you learned something different there. Reality was very different than what probably you had planned there.
Yes.
When
And
you went to Majuli, you went with some kind of, checklist with you, and
yeah.
then there you realize that your checklist doesn't work there. You have to
Exactly, it
to
happened.
create
Exactly, it happened.
something new there
Yeah,
based on their requirement. Yeah, could you please go ahead? Yes.
yeah. So my journey will be all my mistakes I have covered. This is the only presentation which will have all the mistakes a person can do, and don't repeat it actually, whatever I have done. So that is what my message to the new generation in terms of, because entrepreneurship is just a passion actually. If you have the passion, don't go to the term called entrepreneurship where we need to compete with one another and all.
So what would you
So
suggest? Like, I know you follow your
it's a
dream,
passion. Yes, it's a
follow your
passion.
passion.
Yeah, because my all of my dreams were impossible dreams. In many other formats, I've been termed as a very educated beggar. Actually, I knock doors of people for anything, and I don't mind it doing it. So
So,
a,
yeah.
a little bit off track from a lot of things, but very interesting. So I will take you just one sec. I'll just share my screen to everyone out here.
Yeah, that would be nice. If you could show us some pictures. Yeah.
Is my screen been there?
Not yet. Yeah, now it's there.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is my first journey in terms of running and understanding a community, which is almost around 7 years back. But I was doing a lot of mapping of communities into different formats, be it handicraft, be it art, be it literature, or whatever, in a limited way, wherever I can reach actually. So this is a village called Chitador Chuk in Majuli, where I first went there as a tourist. As usual, Majuli jana hai. I have to see the marks making there. I have to go to Halmora pottery to understand how a pottery is being made without the potter's wheel. So as usual, as a journey in a like going into a lot of these reviews of where I should visit and all, as usual. So I went into Majuli, and what we all know about Majuli, this journey is about when I entered the island actually. So basically, when I went, I knew that Majuli is the second largest island in the world, but obviously is the second. It's not the first largest; it's the second largest now because of the erosions actually. Rakh is one of the very important festival in Majuli, which is like every year almost 2 to 3 lakh people visits, and most of them are researchers, photo stories. A lot of photographer people comes, but they do a lot of stories on the cultural aspect. And while understanding Majuli as an island, I understood I have to accept few of the things, whether right or wrong, I don't know, but I have to come to a conclusion. Where I came, Honkordev was a brilliant artist for me. Obviously, he was a saint, he was a dharma guru, whatever comes in, but I pictured Honkordev as an artist for me. So when Honkordev traveled the entire India, he was very much influenced by a lot of things. From South India, Bharatnatyam, he was very much interested in Bharatnatyam, how it happened and all. When he got back, he thought we need to create something for the Assamese community. So he created the Bajravalli Bhasha. In short, I'm telling everything in
Yeah,
short
yeah,
so that
correct. Yeah.
yeah. So now see, he thought let us create a dance format. What was the dance format? Was the hot trio, the mudras and everything. It has a much relation with Bharatnatyam. Then he thought we have to have our own drum. What can be the drum? He created the khul, which is a version of mridangam.
Hmm. Very
So
interesting.
he wasn't. Then he also knew like people gonna screw up later on. So he created the monikut, which are the 7 steps to heaven. Like don't worship me, don't idolize me. He created something which doesn't exist actually, or whatever his thought was. So it's a very interesting format of the research he has done, and he came forward to create an ideology for the people of Assam. Later on, things have changed. Like people like us, we have taken it to different levels now. So I will not talk about those fragments,
Yes.
whatever has happened on Vaishnavism or the Neo Vaishnava, whatever. But in a nutshell, what Honkordev was all about, his research, what kind of research he did, and what he created actually. Out of all this, I'll go to this slide particularly. What we need to know is very important because we have a misconception about Majuli in many other things, which I'll come to you. One of the very prominent thing is the floods. Erosion is one of the major problem where you can see a ball figure like 256 square kilometer to 515 square kilometer in 2010. So another 10 to 20 years, whether this island going to exist or not, I don't know. That's a big question mark.
True.
So one of a very interesting community who was working in the island, who's like June Bach Koretat, who has been there for ages now,
Inhabitants,
is the Missings inhabitants. So obviously they had came from Arunachal, whatever the journey, I will not talk about it. They love the river. And why the Missings is that when we started interacting with the children and the parents and all, we always asked them, Dada, tohotok jodi, if we give you a piece of land in Jorhat, will you go? Will you migrate? In one line, they say, no, we cannot. Whatever you give. Then I was a little bit reluctant. এনেকে কিয় কয়? মোকতো খুদিলে মই গুচি গলো হয়. If somebody invited me to Bombay with a flat, I would have loved to go actually. So this is one of the mistakes I have been there. Like moi bhabisilu, any material, if I show it to them, they will be delighted. Wrong. The first mistake. So when I asked them, what is there in Majuli actually? No, you don't know. You don't know. The river is the Baba to us. He's the father. He gives everything. And we don't need anything actually. We build our own houses. We know fishing, one of the brightest thing out there. We know agriculture, anything like no one knows actually. We grow everything. So interestingly, when I started walking in interior villages of Majuli, these things realized me many things actually. Like if I have to go to a little nearby shop, I have to cycle or I have to walk for around 2-3 kilometers for a single shop. Surf tour bahire baki eku nikine tamane. Nimok aru surf.
They're so
So
self-content.
interestingly, that's where it comes in. So it was a very interesting community. Moi iman self mane sustained community moi dekha nasilu. Iman mane aggressive. So it was a new learning for me. Like ihotor pa bahut hikibo pam.
Yeah, and they were so much aware about their own strength. That is the best part, I would
They
say.
are, and they don't want any conversions in it.
Yeah,
Practically, je Bombay aha, Guwahati aha, nalage.
they are not carried away
We are
by
happy.
all this.
We are happy. We are happy. So obviously 1% of people are always aspirational. Hetu hodaye thakibo. Etu nohoy je gutekhini manue enekua. But I'm talking about the mindset of
Yeah.
the people.
Correct.
What is the aspiration of the youth maybe?
Yeah.
So there, what I did was that let me write down few of the harsh realities which are there. Lack of promotion on the tourism aspect মানে কি হয় আমাৰ সত্ৰ বৰ পপুলাৰ
Okay.
মাজুলী গলো 5টা সত্ৰ চাবই লাগিব দেই সত্ৰকেইটা চালিনে but no one talks about the alternate aspects of these people are showing বাওধানটো এটা চাউল যোনটো বানপানীত হয় পানীত তলত সি সোমাই যায় লেউ গৈ থাকে খুব ইন্টাৰেষ্টিং চাউল সেই চাউলটো যদি আমি সেয়া লেংগুৱেজ আৰু কমিউনিকেশ্যনটো যে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ইন এনি কাইণ্ড অফ এণ্টাৰপ্ৰিনাৰশ্বিপ অৰ এনি কাইণ্ড অফ ছ'চিয়েল এণ্টাৰপ্ৰাইজ অৰ এনি এণ্টাৰপ্ৰাইজ সেই বাওদানটোৰ বিষয়েতো আমি দেখাবলৈ লৈ যাব পাৰোঁ
Okay.
I
That is
have
not
seen
done.
not done. I have seen in Malaysia,
Hmm.
after wedding ne before wedding জানো কিবা এখন ফটো ধাননিত মাৰেগে
Oh.
আমাৰো বহুত ধুনীয়া ধুনীয়া ধাননি আছে why can't we create such a model মানে মোৰ tourism aspect আছিল a very alternate aspect
Mhm.
so we thought like এই বস্তুটো কিয় হ'ব নোৱাৰে মানে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ বস্তু এটা আমি কিয় কথা পাতিব নোৱাৰো hygiene অকমান problem মিছিঙৰ কাৰণ bathroom is a little bit issue bathroom নথকা নহয় but they love to use the open I don't know why সেইটো এটা সুধিব গলে আকৌ বহু কথা হ'ব সেইটোকে আৰু এটা কথা আছে গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে যিকেইটা বাথৰুম বনাই দিলে আই উইল নট নেম হোৱাট আৰ দ্য স্কিমছ এণ্ড অল কাইণ্ড অফ সেইটো 2 ফুট বাই 2 ফুট সেইটো মানুহটো সোমাবলৈও দিগদাৰ ওলাবলৈও দিগদাৰ তাতে গাহৰিটো ৰাখে নহলে মুৰ্গীখিনি ৰাখে তাহাঁতে মোক দেখাই দিলে ইউটিলিটিটো বাবা চা এইটোত আমি সোমাম তই সোমাব পাৰিবি বোলো নোৱাৰো তে কি কৰিম so a little bit of this is something which I don't know how to address সেইটো সময়ত মই নেজানিছিলো কেনেকে এড্ৰেছ কৰিম I was learning actually মোৰ নিজৰ শিকাখিনি lack of awareness on the environment and surroundings এই বস্তুটো বৰ দৰকাৰ এটা বিৰাট ধুনীয়া এক্সাম্পল এটা আছে আমি লিভিং আৰ্ট বুলি বাৰ্ষিকীয়া এটা আৰ্ট ফেষ্টিভেল কৰো গাঁৱৰ মানুহৰ কাৰণে where my performances and everything we teach them and they perform everything so every year it happens so ever
Who
আমি
are those people? Yeah, Rishi, who are those people who perform in this festival?
It's from different Sapori areas. It was from 17 Sapori areas. The first year performance was 346 performers came on art, on poetry, on theater, and everything.
And
it's
all
a
are
huge
from
bracket.
Majuli.
It's a huge bracket.
All are from
All
Majuli.
are from Majuli. All are from Majuli.
Hmm.
কিন্তু আমি চাপৰি অঞ্চলত বেছিকে আমি ফ'কাছ কৰোঁ বিকজ তাহাঁতৰ কাৰণে ল'ৰা মই মানে I figured out to work only for children actually initially because ডাঙৰখিনিৰ কাৰণে মই বহুত ট্ৰাই কৰিছিলোঁ মই নোৱাৰিলোঁ because they had a huge gap তই চহৰৰ পৰা আহিছ জাননে প্ৰত্যেক বছৰ কিমান পইচা আহে চহৰৰ পৰা আমাৰ কাৰণে একো নকৰে so I took a back foot মই ডাঙৰ লগত কাম কৰিলে নহ'ব I have to pick up children actually So education, building a suitable, a sustainable prospect. Education, I'm not talking about the textbook education.
Yeah.
Tahator folk stories, they have so many beautiful things actually. So many beautiful things. Hekhini bostu, ami tahatok, we have to give them confidence. In a village, the problem is with the confidence building among the children.
Okay.
We always try to replicate a Delhi-based model, a Sydney-based model, a Australian-based model, or whatever you want to name it. But আমি mapping জানো কৰিছো what are the strongest points in them ever তাহাঁতি এনেকুৱা ধুনীয়া সাঁতুৰিব জানে বেক ষ্ট্ৰোক ফ্ৰণ্ট ষ্ট্ৰোক কি কয় বাটাৰফ্লাই ষ্ট্ৰোক I don't know what are the names diving কিবা কিবি so
but
it
nobody
has to be a
tapped their potential. They have they have this strength in them, but nobody
Yes.
has actually gone and tapped it.
Yes. Then I saw art as a language has never emerged, be it handicraft or whatever. There will be few examples on handicrafts which I'll show it to you. So this is something now, the biggest of the blunder I have done from a city. I made a wish list. I'll come to that later on. This is something very interesting. Many things I have done illegally actually, but not harming anyone. So being an entrepreneur, doing things illegally is not bad until and unless it harms anyone. So my examples will be like this only. In the first Rakh festival, when I went there, the island has 3 lakh people all put together. It was in 2015 or something, I forgot, to attend the first Rakh. None of the ATMs were working. We were about to clear our whatever, hotel dues or something, or the food dues and all in the hotels where we were staying. And none of the ATMs are working, interestingly. We went to the SBI branch manager. He said, no, right now there are no people. Then we thought, how will we create a thing actually like this? We're very upset on it. We have to send somebody to Jorhat to get the money. We have to clear our dues actually. He went. Then what I did was that this is a State Bank's board. Okay. Then we thought State Bank is not doing justice. So one of my partner, who is Mohanto, he does street art. So this is the guy who joined me from Delhi. One day we both were dreaming in Delhi. And I said, Mohanto, Ahom jaunge bola, tate kiba koru. This guy left everything and he came over. Now he's a big name now. His name is Nilim Mohanto. This font, he has created this font and we just wrote Majuli there and we came back. A little bit later, what happened is that this became a selfie zone actually for a lot of people.
This is over the State Board signboard.
Yes, this is State Bank signboard.
That's nice.
এখন মাজতে বতাহত ছিঙি পৰি গ'ল আকৌ ডিসিয়ে এখন নিজে লগোৱালে কাবাক কৈ পেলাই তাৰপিছত মোলে মেছেজ পঠাইছে ডিসিয়ে যে তহঁতৰ বোৰ্ড হৈ গ'ল বোলো এখন স্যাৰ মোৰ বোৰ্ড নহয় এখন SBI বোৰ্ড আমি চুৰ কৰিছিলো
Okay.
So it's an example about the mistake which take you to a different route. Another beautiful example. We were trying, these are my researches actually. We went to a family. আমাৰ এখন ডলা বা কুলা বুলি কয় য'ত চাউল জাৰু মেইনলি সিহঁতি চাউল জাৰে বা সৰিয়হ জাৰিলো লেতেৰাটো ওলাই গ'ল এজন মানুহে এখন বনাই আছিলে মই আৰু নীলিম তাৰ তালে গ'লো গৈ পেলাই ক'লো অ ককা এখন কিমান পায় আপুনি বনাই যে এখন 120 টকা আৰু 10 বছৰ এখনে বনাবনে বোলো 50 বছৰ হলেও বনাম দেউতাও বনাইছিলে ময়ো বনাইছো বনাই গৈ থাকিম বোলো ঠিক আছে তে এইখনৰ দামটো তেনেহ'লে 150 টকা হ'বগে 200 টকা হ'বগে এটা সময়ত বোলো অ হ'বগে কিয় নহ'ব দাম বাঢ়িব নহয় বস্তুৰ ওকে এখন ডলা কিনি আনিলো আনি পেইন্টিং এখন বনালে নীলিমে আমিও চাই আছিলো যে whether we can paint in the bamboo or not as a medium because we have to create different stories as I told you in the earlier point. We made this painting and we put up in one of the biggest resort there which is known as Dekasang.
Okay.
Foreigner ahile as usual. Wow, such lovely. Can we get it? Oh, 2000 টকা লাগিব কিনি লৈ গ'ল 2000 টকা we went back to the person and gave him 2000 he ভয় খাই গৈছে হেট চুৰ কৰিছ নেকি চুৰ কিয় কৰিম হেট সেইটো হ'ব পাৰে নেকি সম্ভৱ হ'ব পাৰে নেকি বোলো সেইটোইটো কথা So art as a language is so powerful it can add up to anything actually So this was an example. এইবিলাক মোৰ আমাৰ learning আছিলে আমি কি কৰিম কি নকৰিম.
Correct.
The biggest blunder. Don't focus on this. As from the city, আমি ইমানখিনি কাম কৰিম ইমানখিনি কৰিম তাৰমানে নাৱত গৈ গৈ সদায় অহা যোৱাটো বাঢ়ি গ'ল তেতিয়া মাজুলীলে after the ৰাস. The biggest blunder. Actually, the biggest blunder. তাৰপিছত দেখিলো যে এইবোৰ একো নহ'ব. Let us focus on one thing. What can be that one thing? Let us win the confidence of the children. If we win the confidence of the children, we're going to win the confidence of the parents. And it exactly happened. So we took a mission of setting up a children's library. আমাৰ এটাৰো পঢ়া শুনা বেকগ্ৰাউণ্ড নাছিলে ইমান যে আমি লাইব্ৰেৰী খুলিব পৰা মানুহ নাছিলো কিন্তু এটা বিশ্বাস আছিলে যে আমাক যিমানখিনি মানুহে ভাল পাইছিলে সকলোৱে যোগদান দিব এভৰিওয়ান উইল ষ্টেণ্ড উইথ আছ অন দিছ কোনোবাই গান শিকাব পাৰে কোনোবাই হেয়া শিকাব পাৰে সো we were always confident on
And
the art as a
people,
language.
yeah, Rishi, these people you are talking about with whom you said that you had lot of confidence, they will help you, they will support you. These are people from Majuli or outside?
Outside.
Outside.
কাৰণ মাজুলী মানুহখিনিয়ে একচেপ্ট কৰা মানে মোৰ কাৰণে এটা ডাঙৰ হেল্প
All right.
they are giving me a space in their heart they're giving me a space in their whatever domain normally
Yes.
কাৰণ মই এজন বাহিৰৰ মানুহ মই ঠগি থৈছো I have to understand that language first মই
Correct.
10 বাৰ ঠগিছো 15 বাৰ ঠগিছো তাক মিছা খা দি
Correct. They didn't have faith in
that's why I
outsiders.
fail
Yeah.
I fail with the senior people I fail completely when he question me on lot of things ta বহুত পইচা পাবি ন NGO ৰ পৰা এইবিলাক বিদেশৰ পৰা মই বোলো মই নেপাও but I have to prove it to them
Correct.
now
I mean,
this is a very interesting understanding আমি সদায় কথা পাতো entrepreneur social entrepreneur আৰু সেইটো এটা বৰ ডাঙৰ টাৰ্মিনলজি বুলি ভাবো যে he has to graduate from whatever like you want to name it IIMs IITs or whatever মোৰ কাৰণে বা বহুত এক্সাম্পল সেট হয় মই তেতিয়া মাজুলীত এদিন ঘূৰি ফুৰোতে এটা কাপল পালো they run a hostel এইটো হোষ্টেল হয় দেই বয়জ হোষ্টেল গাৰ্লছ হোষ্টেল এনেকুৱা চাৰিটা কোঠাৰ what he does he accommodates around 20 to 30 children during flood season to go to their schools with the boats
oh.
মাত্ৰ 250 টকাত ইলেক্ট্ৰিচিটিৰ কাৰণে বাকি অন আ বাৰ্টাৰ মোৰ ল'ৰাটো ৰাখিছো মোৰ চাউল হয় মই তোক চাউল দিম মোৰ ল'ৰাটো ৰাখিছো মোৰ সৰিয়হ হয় মই তোক সৰিয়হ দিম
Okay.
so the term I was thinking before going I was the biggest social entrepreneur no he was the biggest social entrepreneur তাৰ বুকুখন যথেষ্ট ডাঙৰ সাংঘাতিক মানুহ আমাৰ সব থাকিও মানে we have everything but still I complain now you see the children on the first picture এই প্ৰথম ৰঙা ষ্ট্ৰাইপ পিন্ধা সৰু ল'ৰাটো চুটি চাপৰ জয়ন্ত মই গ'লে সি মোক সোধে এই দাদা মই মাছ বনাইছো খাই যাবি see the confidence they don't stay with the parents they cook their own ঠিক আছে
I mean, their parents are in Majuli. They are
no they are in different Sapori areas you have to cross another 2-3 rivers there are different
so they
small
yeah
islands
they are
within
there
the
for
island.
the schooling yeah they are there for the schooling
there
right?
for the schooling
okay and that is how that couple is
supporting
them
yes এটা হোষ্টেলত 3টা 4টা তাহাঁতি ডানলপত নুখুৱে কিন্তু আমাতকে বেছি ভাল সপোন চাই very strong confidence I learned the confidence today I'm speaking this confidence with you only because of these children whatever they have taught me জয়ন্তই যেতিয়া মোক সোধে এই আজি কি সৰু মাছ খাবি তেতিয়া মোৰ মানে ভয় লাগি যায় তই পাৰিবি এনেকুৱা মই সুধিবই ভয় লাগে তই পাৰিবি নে হেত মই বনাই আছো খা see the confidence in them so this was a very beautiful example about understanding the confidence level je gaor manhuye muk hikale tarpisot what we did was that on the right hand side the top picture Shantanu he Cotton College ot pohisile he maths or khub bhal asile loratu তেনেকে শান্তানুৱে এদিন ক'লে যে ঋষিতা বলক মই অংক এলজেব্ৰা কৰাম তেতিয়া আমি গছৰ তলতে বোৰ্ড এখন লগাই পেলাই আমি চাবলৈ বিচাৰিছিলো ইহঁতি পঢ়া শুনা ভাল পায়নে নাপায়ো একোতো নাজানো আমি and we are not very well educated people to understand every aspect of it আমি এনে যোগ বিয়োগ multiplication whatever we can and they were showing a little bit interest but interestingly নীলিমে যেতিয়া নৈ পাৰত আঁকিছেগে সেই বস্তুটোৱে ডলাত আঁকিছিলে on the right hand side the bottom picture extreme right সেই বস্তুটোৱে সি ডলাত আঁকিছিলে যে নীলিমে যেতিয়া ছবি আঁকি খুব চাই থাকে তেতিয়া আমি ভাবিলো আৰ্ট এজ এ লেংগুৱেজ মাইট ক্লিক বুজিছো আমি মানে নিজৰ মতে ভাবো তেতিয়া ক্লাছৰুমটো আৰু অকমান ঠিক কৰিলো যে বোৰ্ড চক পেন্সিল কেইডালমান কিনিলো শান্তনু কণ্টিনিউলি পঢ়াই আছে অংক ইংৰাজী on the extreme right আপুনি দেখিব the art was working a little bit a young guy was doing a portrait of the other guy
And the
Tamane,
whiteboard, yes.
আৰ্ট লেংগুৱেজ এতিয়া মই আৰ্ট লেংগুৱেজটো আনি দিলো সিহঁতৰ কনফিডেন্সটো আহি গ'ল তাৰমানে দেই এইবিলাকতো আমি ফালি দিম এইবিলাক অংক বা এইবিলাক ক'লে অকণমান কনফিডেন্সটো সিহঁতৰ ডাউন কাৰণ কিয় আমি সিহঁতক বৰ ভয় খুৱাই থৈছো হে তই গাধা তই একো কৰিব নোৱাৰিবি প্ৰব্লেমটো মোৰে মই তাক ভয় খুৱাই থৈছো
Hmm.
actually. So there was a little bit interesting things which were happening মানে in between our learnings যে মানুহবিলাকে দেখোন alternate route বৰ পটককে লয় দেখোন so whenever we think of an entrepreneurship model we have to pick up the মানে most extreme alternate path to understand the people in between we knew like we going to work for children's কেতিয়াও জীৱনত লাইব্ৰেৰী কৰি পোৱা নাই মই নিজেও ভিজিট কৰা নাই জীৱনত লাইব্ৰেৰী কিতাপ পঢ়িছো যদিও লাইব্ৰেৰীৰ পৰা আনি পঢ়া নাই তেতিয়া মোৰ লগৰটোৱে ক'লে ঐ এটা কেম্পেইন কৰো বুজিছ কিতাপ আহি যাব তো উই ডিড আ কেম্পেইন লেটছ ডু আ কেম্পেইন এনেকে দিয়াৰ পিছত মই ইমান মানুহ লগ পালো নতুন নতুন মানুহ ইমান হেল্প আগবঢ়ালে এণ্ড ইন এ পিৰিয়ড অফ 15 days we got 450 books অসমৰ সকলো জেগাৰ পৰা তেজপুৰ নগাঁও একো নাই মই পুৰণি কিতাপেই বিচাৰিছিলো মই একো কিতাপ কিনি পেলাই দিবলৈ কোৱাও নাছিলো কাকো
Correct. So how did you run your campaign over social
See,
media or through people?
obviously with social we have a little bit of a stronger network নাজানো মানুহে ভাল পাই চাগে বহু কাৰণত আৰু সদায় honest ভাৱে কৰি আছো বহুতে কিতাপ দিবলৈ তালেও গৈছে তাৰমানে the things were like that so it was a little
Oh.
bit of a different aspect or a little bit on a very very personal touch
Hmm.
সেই কাপলে কৈছিলো এন্টাৰপ্ৰেনিউৰ সোশ্যাল এন্টাৰপ্ৰেনিউৰ যোনে হোষ্টেল খুলিছিলে সেই মানুহজন হ'ল হৰেন নৰ হি ইজ মাই হি ইজ লাইক মাই ফাদাৰ ইন টাৰ্মছ অফ when I have to understand the village people হৰেন দাই ক'লে মোৰ মাটি লৈ ল দেখা যাব যি হয় লাইব্ৰেৰী বনাই দিয়ে আৰে মই ভাবাই নাছিলো কল্পনাই কৰা নাছিলো কাৰণ when I told হৰেন দা I need a piece of land but not in my name আমি মেক্সিমাম ভুলটো কৰো ক'ত we want to take the ownership
Hmm.
give the ownership to the community আপুনি থিয় হওক খালি লগত you just stand with them things going to happen পেৰেণ্টছ খিনি ইনিশিয়ালি আমাক সাপোৰ্ট নাছিলে যেতিয়া বাঁ চাৰিডাল পুতি দিলো পেৰেণ্টছ বোৰ আহি গ'ল দেট তহঁতি একো নাজানো বাঁ গিডাল পুতিব নাজানো আমি পুতি দি আছো মানে কি he is superior than me he wants to tell me that
Correct.
and I have to accept it I
Yeah,
have
but
to
it's a
accept it
fact
so
also, isn't it? They are experts in all this, isn't
মানে
it?
মই
Yeah.
মই একো নাজানো বাহু কেতিয়াও পুতি পোৱা নাই সদায় চহৰত থকা ল'ৰা এটা মই উস্তাদি মাৰিলে নহ'ব তাত
Correct.
সি মোক ক'লে যে গুছ এনেকে নহয় কামবিলাক গুছ বোলো তে কৰ তেনেহ'লে ধুনীয়াকে দিলো ধুনীয়াকে চাহ খোৱালো ভাত খাওঁ আমি চব একেলগে চ' বণ্ডিং was started happening among the parents
Mhm.
now you can see the book started coming in লাইব্ৰেৰীটো অলপ shape লৈছে তলত ৰঙা টি চাৰ্ট পিন্ধি জয়ন্তই চাই আছে লাইব্ৰেৰীটোৰ ফালে জয়ন্তক দেখিলেই মোৰ ভয় লাগে কাৰণ আমি এতিয়া চিন্তা কৰি আছো এইটো চলিব নে নচলিব বনাইতো আছো কিন্তু জয়ন্ত জানো ইণ্টাৰেষ্টেড এইটোত মানে curiosity has always been there and we need to understand those minute points in an entrepreneurship model who is the market who is your end consumer what is the language we're going to talk now the biggest challenge was to reach by the nearby villages আমি 5 কিলোমিটাৰ ৰেডিয়াছ এটা মেপ কৰিলো মোৰ দুজন বন্ধু আছিলে এজনে হিন্দুস্তান টাইমছত লিখিছিলে আগতে প্ৰবীৰ তালুকদাৰ দুজনকে চাইকেল দিলো দুজনে গৈ পেলাই আৰু কেইজনমান আছিলে চাইকেলেদি গৈ ঘৰে ঘৰে খবৰ দিলে যেতিয়া আমি প্ৰথম খবৰ দিবলৈ যাওঁ ঘৰ এটাত দাদা আমি লাইব্ৰেৰী এটা কৰিছো নহয় নাই আমি ল'ৰা ছোৱালী পঠাব নোৱাৰো আমি পইচা দিব নোৱাৰো দেই চৰি দাদা
পইচা দিও বুলি ভাবিলে
লাইব্ৰেৰী মানে ফ্ৰী হ'ব সি কিতাপ দুখন দেখিব গণিত শিকিবলৈ পাব অলৰেডি গাঁৱত অকণমান চৰ্চা হৈছিলে যে these guys are teaching them a lot of good things actually the good part was because we are doing the open classroom বহুত আগৰ পৰাই আমি আৰম্ভ কৰি দিছিলো গছৰ তলে চলে য'তে সুবিধা হয় তেতিয়া আমি যেতিয়া ক'লো এইটো ফ্ৰী হয় চাহ একাপ খাবি নেকি so the language got changed immediately তাৰপিছত ভাত খাবলৈ পাওঁ জলপান খাবলৈ পাওঁ it was never a problem on the money side we faced পইচানো কিয় লাগে তাহাঁতৰ খেতিৰ বস্তু এটাই জলপান খাই যা ইমান কষ্ট কৰিবি ঘূৰি ফুৰিবি জলপানো পাওঁ ভাতো পাওঁ ৰাতি ডিনাৰো পাওঁ so now see the community is so different actually সেই 3-4টা জয়ন্তহঁতৰ 15টা ল'ৰাৰ পৰা 80টা ল'ৰা ছোৱালী হ'ল this was about 7 days before the opening এতিয়া ল'ৰা ছোৱালীখিনিতো এংগেজ কৰিব লাগিব because the library was not yet up so মই নীলিমে ক'লে আমি গছৰ পাতেদি কিবা কিবি বনাব দিওঁ শুকান পাত ফেব্ৰুৱাৰী মাহ মাৰ্চ মাহ তেতিয়া দিওঁ কেতিয়াবা নিজৰ নাম ইণ্টাৰেষ্টিং আৰু নীলিম মানে একদম হেৰি আৰু তাহাঁতৰ হি ৱাজ দি আইডল ৰং চং কৰে ৱালে ডিফাৰেণ্ট কাইণ্ড অফ আকৌ এটা ইলিগেল কাম কৰিলো এই ফৰেনাৰ খিনি যে দেখিছে কিছুমান জেগা আছে য'ত ফৰেনাৰ আহে মাজুলীত তাতে যিবোৰ দোকানী চিগাৰেট টিগাৰেট বিক্ৰী কৰে সিহঁতৰ লগত লেকচাৰ মাৰো তহঁতে এইখন গাঁৱত যোৱা নাই কিমান ভাল ভাল বস্তু আছে কি কি হৈ আছে তহঁতে দেখা নাই এইবিলাক নাও হি ষ্টাৰ্টেড ইমপ্লিমেণ্টিং চেম লেংগুৱেজ টু দ্য ফৰেনাৰ্ছ হু কামিং ড্ৰাইভাৰবিলাকক সোধেতো ক'ত যাম এতিয়া এই তহঁতে এইখন গাঁও চা না কিবা কিবি হৈ আছে কোনো নাজানে কি হৈ আছে ফৰেনাৰ ষ্টাৰ্টেড কামিং ইন শ্ল'লি আমাৰ গাঁৱৰ ফালে ডনেশ্যন বক্স এটা দেখি পেলাই লগাই দিলো এনে আৰু এদিন দেখিছো ডলাৰো পৰিছে মানে things were always been there and these were all learning I never knew like I'm going to get a $10 hawk $5 hawk I was never concerned about it people are the market is there actually we need to tell the story মই সেই ভুলটো কৰিছিলো মিষ্টেকটো যে গৈ পেলাই পাণ দোকানবিলাকত ভুৱা প্ৰচাৰ কৰিছিলো বেয়া কথা কোৱা নাছিলো তাতে কিবা এটা হৈ আছে সাংঘাতিক কিবা ল'ৰা ছোৱালী ভিৰ লাগি থাকে কি হৈ আছে ময়ো নাজানো গৈছো নাই
You had to create the curiosity in mind, yeah, for outsiders. Yes. Very nice.
তাৰপিছত we need an invitation card to invite a lot of people. Invited the DC and all. তেওঁ নাহিলে তেওঁৰ এজন জুনিয়ৰ আহিলে he became a big মানে friend now. Changes. ল'ৰা ছোৱালী এইটো ইনগ্ৰেশ্যন আমাৰ সৰু ভাৱে এই বাল্বৰ পৰা আদি কৰি কিতাপৰ পৰা আদি কৰি ফেনৰ পৰা আদি কৰি সব ৰাইজে দিয়া মই একোৱে দিয়া নাই টকাও খৰচ কৰা নাই so I did nothing when you said I did everything I was just there to stitch it up and the stories so আকৌ এটা ইলিগেল কাম এতিয়া মই জানো যে মাজুলী ল'ৰা ছোৱালী বিলাকৰ কিতাপত ইন্টাৰেষ্ট নাই সিহঁতক বেলেগ লেংগুৱেজত কথা পাতিব লাগিব এতিয়া আমি ভাবিলো যিহেতু লাইব্ৰেৰীটো বনালো why can't we do a film screening আৰু মই কাৰোৰ পৰা চিনেমা স্ক্ৰীন ৰাইটছ লৈ পেলাই I cannot play it so I did illegally again কি চিনেমা দেখাইছো মই কৈ দিয়া নাই যি ভাল লাগে দেখাই দিলো I am কালামৰ পৰা আদি কৰি I cannot buy a rights and I cannot go to people to ask for rights sorry I'll do it illegally no issues মানুহৰ ভালৰ কাৰণেহে হৈছে interestingly with parents 150 people were there to witness that film screening night so we keep on doing these small things আমি কৰি থাকো আমাৰ লাইব্ৰেৰীটো অকল লাইব্ৰেৰী হিচাপে নহয় কিন্তু another beautiful example
it sounds most like a community center I mean for name you can name you have named it as a library but now I can see that it is more of a community center people started coming there and they started you know expressing their ideas and creativity and then I think you got them engaged in different events very smart way of getting people bonded
true so আৰু এটা কি হল আমি বহাগত স্পৰ্টছ উইক এটা পাতিলো মোৰ ওয়াইফে ক'লে যে ইহঁতৰ স্পৰ্টছত বৰ ইন্টাৰেষ্ট কিবা এটা কৰ তেতিয়া one of my friend was in Indian Oil he gave me those pictures of যি দেখিলে ফুটবল কিবা এইবোৰ হোলা হুপ নেকি বেট এনেকুৱা কিছুমান বস্তু দিলে ক্ৰিকেট দিলে এনেকে কৈ আমি পাতি দিলো another interesting learning was that 70% participants were girls so স্পৰ্টছত গাৰ্লছৰ খুব চখ এতিয়া মই to create কৰিব নোৱাৰো I cannot create a sports infrastructure there but these are my surveys which might help any of the entrepreneur to come up as a sports entrepreneurship it's a very new thing kumba jodi etu challenge hisabe lob pare it might be
correct
ako moi cultural aspect ot jetia sao jetia prize distribution hoy dhuniya ke mekhela sador pini ahe moi edinu koa nasilu to mekhela sador pini aibo laibo prize lobole just understand the sense of knowledge and carrying the culture ahead sense among the children the little ones 13 years 14 years we thought we have to create another story now because ihotor iman talent a library to dhore noribo bhangi jabo so we thought of a name for living art what is a living art jitu art e any gi thakatu je eta art hoy hetu bostu ami depict koribo bisarilu তেতিয়া নীলিম আৰু মই আকৌ আৰম্ভ দিলো আমাৰ ৱালনত আমি নীলিমে আঁকিলে এইটো আঁকাৰ পিছত ইট বিকেম আ সেলফি পইণ্ট এখন স্কুলত আঁকিছিলো প্ৰথম দিনা যেতিয়া আঁকিব গৈছিলো স্কুলখনে আমাক মানা কৰিছিল এইবোৰ অকল গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ মেছেজ হ'ব ইয়াত বাহিৰা বস্তু নাকিবি তহঁতি এইবিলাক নহ'ব ৰাতি মনে আঁকিলো আকৌ ৰাতিপুৱা প্ৰিন্সিপালে মাতি নিলে ভাইটি গোটেই স্কুলখন কৰি দিব পাৰিবা নেকি বোলো গোটেই স্কুলখনতো ছাৰ নোৱাৰিম টকা পইচাও নাই ৰঙো নাই so you have to break the rules in many aspects if it's good for the people what I mean to say so ইহঁতৰ আউটডোৰ কালাৰ খুব চখ ৰং বুজা কাৰণ সিহঁতি যেতিয়া দেখে আমি হিৰোখিনি দেখোন ৱালখনততো এইটো দেখোন ময়ে হয় বা মই হিৰো নেকি so that heroism has to be created in every aspect another beautiful learning মাজুলী যোনে গৈছে গম পাব ঘাট বৰ ধুনীয়া বাৰ্ড ৱাচিঙৰ কাৰণে বৰ ধুনীয়া জেগা ই হ'ল আমাৰ গোলাপ বৰুৱা গোলাপ বৰুৱাই খুব মদ খাই ভাল পায়, প্ৰডাক্টিভ একো নাই, মাছ মাৰে আৰু মাৰি বহি থাকে। গোলাপক ক'লো, গোলাপ এই মানুহবোৰে যে দলঙৰ ওপৰৰ পৰা চেলফি মাৰি থাকে, তই মানুহবিলাকক ঘূৰাই নিদিয় কেলে, ইয়াত এক ট্ৰিপ 100 টকাকে পাবি নহয় তই। তেতিয়া সেনেকে চাইন্সটো ক্ৰিয়েট কৰোঁতে নীলিমে নাওখন আঁকি দিলে। আঁকি দিয়াৰ পিছত সঁচাকে মানুহ আহি তাৰ তাত ফুৰা হ'ল লাহে লাহে। Then I went to the tourism department and I told them, আপোনালোকে এইটো project own কৰি লওকচোন, কৰক কিবা এটা, কাৰণ I cannot go and do lot of things actually. মই লাৰ্ণিঙৰ কাৰণে কৰি পেলাই I have created the science and I have left it for our entrepreneurs to do it. But কাৰো ইণ্টাৰেষ্ট নাই। প্ৰব্লেমটো হ'ল গাঁৱত কাম কৰিবলৈ অকমান মানে ইয়াত I have not invested anything than a few bunch of colors. ৰংহে আল্টিমেটলি, নাওখনটো আছিলে আগৰ পৰা, it existed.
Correct.
গোলাপে তেতিয়া মোটিভেট হ'ব যেতিয়া সি অকমান দেখিব যে এইটো এটা ফাইনেন্সিয়েল বেনিফিট আছে। So the meaning of an entrepreneurship lies on creating with the existing resources. Don't create anything new. Don't create. মই অষ্ট্ৰেলিয়াৰ পৰা নাও নমাই দিব পাৰিলো হয় ইয়াত। But does it need actually? জেগাটো ইমান ধুনীয়া, প্ৰস্পেক্টটো। So this became like another painting. এইটো এটা গ্যালাৰী পেইন্টিঙৰ নিচিনা লাগিছে ফটোখন যেতিয়া মাৰিলো।
Very true. Looks beautiful.
যোৱা বছৰ যেতিয়া আমি লিভিং আৰ্ট কৰিম বুলি ভাবিলো, it was an acute problem of a clean drinking water in the villages of a little bit of pockets of islands which are heavily flooded and which has a little bit connectivity towards Majuli. তেওঁলোকে খাদ্য কাৰণে মাজুলীলৈ আহে বা যিকোনো বেংকৰ কামৰ কাৰণে বা হেৰি কামৰ কাৰণে। So আমি ভাবিলো আমি যিহেতু ফেষ্টিভেলটো কৰিমে লিভিং আৰ্ট, let's do a water tank, 1000 liters of clean drinking water tank. আমি কমিটমেন্ট ললো, তেনেকে আমি we started speaking to lot of organizations, nothing worked. বহু অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন মেইল কৰিলো, বাকী নাই আৰু কাকো এৰা নাই। It didn't work, somehow it didn't work. A family from New Jersey, they stood up, they said, we're going to build this tank for you, Rishi, just go and do it. তেতিয়া মই তেওঁলোকক ক'লো, তোমালোক গুচি আহা, মোক পইচা নালাগে, মোৰো ভয় লাগিছে, এনেকে পইচা লৈ ল'ম আকৌ কি বা ভয়ো লাগে, আজিকালি মই নেজানো ইমান। I invited them. They said, okay, we're going to come, we're going to do the tickets. তেনেকে চোৱাৰ পিছত আজি এই ফটোখন মই ইয়াত দিয়া নাই, আপোনালোকে if you connect to Instagram and if you connect to the Facebook page, you can see the tank which is live now. Inauguration কৰিব পৰা নাই because এইবাৰ আমি নোৱাৰিলো ইনগ্ৰেশ্যনটো কৰিব because of this COVID thing which has been inaugurate কৰা কথা আছিল actually ধুনীয়াকে গাঁৱৰ প্ৰগ্ৰামত। So this is my story of living art. এই যে নাওখন যে চাইকেলখন, গোৱাল এজনৰ চাইকেল, ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাক নদী পাৰ কৰে ৰাতিপুৱা সময়ত, এই ইমেজটোৱে ডিপিক্ট কৰিছো তাত। কেনেকুৱা এগ্ৰেছিভ পিপল ভাবকচোন, স্কুল এখনলৈ যায় এনেকুৱা এখন নৈ পাৰ হৈ য'ত কাৰেণ্ট সাংঘাতিক। এই ল'ৰা দুজনে সি পানীটো বোৱাই দিয়ে যাতে নাওখন ঠিক ডাইৰেকশ্যনত গুচি যায়। কোনো কাকো ইংগিত দিব নালাগে, দে নো ইট বাই দেয়াৰ ওন। কোনো পৰি নাযায় নাৱৰ পৰা, কোনো ভয় কৰিব লগা একো নাই। এতিয়া in a language we might talk about safety or whatever you want to name it, but মই যেতিয়া সিহঁতৰ লগত I was more comfortable than any other safety measure. এই বস্তুটোৱে আমি লিভিং আৰ্টত ক্ৰিয়েট কৰিলো, the artist community of we created these kind of art actually. অকমান বেলেগ which has a story and a living is an art যে depict বস্তুটো, সেই পিকচাৰখনে এইটো বস্তু, সেই চাইকেলখনে, সেই স্কুলৰ বেগটোৱে, সেই নাওখনে, that was a public art installation. So এইটো আমাৰ ষ্টেজ, এইখিনি আমাৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালীখিনি আমাৰ নিজৰ লাইব্ৰেৰীৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালী, তেওঁলোকে আজিকালি গান গায়, আজিকালি নাচে। এইটো এটা বৰ ধুনীয়া এক্সাম্পল। এইটো ডেন্স ফৰ্মেট হ'ল গুমৰাগ বুলি কয়, which is known as Gumrag. It's a celebration of Bihu among the missings in the month of February, which is the 3rd week of February. Of late, what was happening was that the young generation was not very much interested, or they have not learned to dance this art form.
Okay,
And the
could you
senior
please
ones
repeat the name, Rishi?
know
What
it
is the
very
name?
well.
What is the name of the Bihu?
The name
What is it? Gumrag. Okay, Gumrag. Okay. It's a form of missing Bihu.
We almost things are same. It's the same, the harvesting thing, but yet maiki manu besi front face. Amar husori jeneke mota maiki sobe yet maiki manu kini besi ke agricultural procedure to dekhai Gumragor through the actually.
Okay.
Kothia keneke ruye keneke dhan kate. So the dance format shows the agricultural journey. So এইটো আমি 3 মাহৰ এটা কোৰ্স কৰিছিলো আমাৰ লাইব্ৰেৰী ল'ৰা ছোৱালীখিনি 16 জনী ল'ৰা ছোৱালী এতিয়া তেওঁলোকে নিজকে আৰ্টিষ্ট মানে আকৌ তাতেও পলিটিক্স কৰিলো কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ পলিটিক্স বা কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কি অফলেট ইহঁতক এতিয়া বহু ধৰণৰ বিভিন্ন ফাংচনত মাতা হ'ল তেওঁলোকক মাতা হ'ল যে তোমালোক আহি পেলাই পাৰফৰ্ম কৰা অপেনিং এক্ট এতিয়া মই ক'লো তহঁতক যে মাতে এখন গাড়ী দিব কবি মেজিক আৰু ভাত খাজ ভালকে কবি এতিয়াহে যাবি So it rightly it happened. Now they are a big performers than me. তাহাঁতক সবেই চিনি পায় এতিয়া. So this is the whole team, very bunch of different people, all have different backgrounds. So somebody is an engineer, somebody is from Cotton College, most of them qualified. A lot of people from different backgrounds. The team has extended also now. বহুখিনি হৈ গ'লগে এতিয়া. So this was my journey in terms of I think I'm consuming a lot of time. Actually, story এটা ক'বলৈ মানে সময়ো লাগে আৰু এই মাধ্যমত এঘণ্টাত বৰ অসুবিধা. আপোনালোকৰ যদি আপোনালোকৰ কিবা আছে whatever we have roughly around 7 minutes.
Yeah, no, it was.
You have 7 minutes and.
It's a stupendous journey, Rishi. It is very interesting to listening to your journey in Majuli and in general about your
now,
life's learning.
Yeah.
So I think we can. We can ask some viewers to ask questions. You can unmute. Anybody would like to ask? Ruby Thakur.
Yeah. Hi. My name is Ruby, and I'm from Guwahati. And I had 2 questions actually. First of all, so apni koisile je apni koi first of all I think this is one of the amazing thing I have heard of, and I have been to Majuli and I know that a lot of things are Hummingbird School, you may know. I have been there.
Yeah, good.
So I have been there and I have stayed there and saw and experienced it. So more question duta asil. First of all, you were saying that market or kind of story lagibo. Obviously that what you are doing, right? Like market linkage, basically that's what you do. So so what are the stories you were using? That is first question. And second question will be how do you ensure that the people who are weaving and who are doing the main craft মানে handicraft jibrake primarily কাম কৰি আছে, how do you ensure that welfare is reaching to them or they are getting enough wages and good wages for their work?
So I will touch you upon it. Pratham kotha, I'll speak in English because a lot of people has commented I need to speak in English. The first question is about. No, that's fine. That's fine. Not an issue. So I will tell you now. The first question is like how I tell the stories. It's something which you spoke about. So a story is never been created by my own in terms of obviously the telling aspect. I will create it on my own. Ki kobo lage, what I need to speak about or I need to frame it up. Suppose you are from a village in Nalbari. First, I will try to go and visit you first. Now, I need to understand what is the basic core thing which Nalbari is known for. Weaving, bamboo, doi, means card. So I need to know a language which I will talk about. That mapping has to be done very well before you go to a story. Like I'll give you an example. Nowadays, the modern people, not the modern actually, the new generation, when we have a stomach ache or something, we called up our grandparents to ask, my stomach is itching, what plant I should have? Because the story is never been told well. You see the gap.
Okay.
So that archival work has to be done in a very different level. The medicinal plants of Assam, do we know? Do I know? I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm just giving a small example. Now we talk about immunity or something in this COVID situation. You can see so many brands are coming with immunity. Then we don't have to believe in some other immunity. If we have the black pepper from here, if we have the haldi from here, these are the things, core elements. This also grows here also. We don't have to depend on Ayush Kendra or whatever the government of Ayurveda has done it actually. So this storytelling, if you do correctly, the next generation will benefit from it. What I mean to say, in whatever language, whatever mediums you want to do it. I'm not worried about the format, the art format. Now, when you spoke about the weaving, whether they are getting fair wages or not, until and unless we don't make them custodians of this platform, like the weaving, why I should represent as a weaving? Because she weaves there at the village. She should be made the front face. Until and unless we make them the front face, taking up responsibility, like I showed you the example of Gumrag. I don't dance Gumrag. My children's dance Gumrag. That's the strength of the core. The benefits will only reach them until and unless they are being made the frontliners of it. You might hear as a little bit rebellious on this front, but this is my learning actually. Mur logot thio korim tak. I will let him stand with me and come to you. You want to know about weaving? They are the weavings. In a village, the major problem with the poor people are who does the weaving. I'm not saying poor in terms of their livelihood. They are very strong, then they are living a better life than us. In Majuli, what I mean to say, they eat well, their nutrition levels are perfect. Anytime you want to rate it out. Their main problem is with the availability of a proper thread. The market has a mixer of threads. A thread bank is something which is the need of the hour. People have to think about the alternatives in terms of creating an entrepreneurship model. If I make a thread bank, I'm going to do it like a passbook holder. I'm going to give threads to them because they don't have money to buy threads. How can a model sustain if you put the hammer on the bottom? So these are the two learnings for me to you. One is a storytelling is something is very, 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 very important. We have not done the stories well, actually.
But Rishi, I just want to know, I mean, can you do a story without doing the base research? Is it possible?
No, it's not possible.
You
Ma'am.
cannot simply pick up a story, right? Just because, I mean, one has to get involved and do the groundwork, and then probably you can come up with your ideas and create your own story.
Yeah.
Am I
And I'll
right?
give you an example. Perfectly right. And I'm giving an example. The new bunch of entrepreneurs who are there, suppose we take a domain of, you name it anything. We are taking a domain of handloom or handicraft now. Weaving, particularly as a sector. The weaving becomes so expensive, how can a middle class family can afford it? Instead of, why can't we make small things? Why can't we make rumal, the handkerchiefs?
So you mean to say it's like we don't need to target only making mekhla chadar or
Obviously, if
something
everyone
bigger.
makes mekla chadar,
Yeah.
makes mekla chadar, how can a small or maybe
think-
a starting entrepreneurship can survive?
Yeah.
It
you're-
depends on also. It also depends on the demand, I think.
Yes, see, first is that any entrepreneurship is a risk taking. First, are you willing to come out of the comfortable zone or not? And when you come out, you need to unlearn yourself. Whatever you have learned, you need to understand, I know nothing. Still, I'm telling you, after doing so many mistakes, I know nothing actually. We have to accept first, then we jump into it.
The way things are changing, we have
Yes.
to keep learning and growing. I mean, you can't be stagnant with your learning.
No, we
And,
have to.
hello. Can
Yeah.
I ask one more question?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, sure.
so I mean, you have been so closely, working with the people there. So you were saying that they are not poor in terms of livelihood. So what I mean, I'm not talking about children and that education, the kind of problem, the quality education jo bhi ho, that is like I have been to different places where it's all there. But what are the main problems you see in livelihood in Majuli, especially if I can ask this?
Yeah,
In
I
terms
have
of
already
livelihood.
answered one point of it on the earlier question. We have to make the front face them first. Tahati, they have never got a space as a leader, actually. Somebody has to lead from the community. Then only things gonna set example for others. As I told you, first is that they don't have money to buy threads. The biggest challenge. The biggest challenge they face. Second is that if you think getting a good mekhela chador is easy in Majuli, just go to remote, deep Sapuri areas. You go to a family. It has happened with me. When me and my wife went, my wife loved a particular blue color mekhela chador. She liked it. She wants to buy it. Now she opened the trunk. She took out the mekhela chador, and the price she said 4,500. We are okay to it, as usual. We love to negotiate as a people. So we said 4,000 dim de dada. Like we'll give 4,000. Okay. Then the wife went inside, spoke to to her sisters or somebody at home, came out and said, "I love it so much. I cannot sell it. This is for me.
Oh,
Even if I pay 10,000, she's not going to sell it." So you need to understand the mindset of the people first. First is they are a beautiful carrier of their own culture. Entrepreneurship zeal will start coming into their mind until and unless you give them a front space in anything you do.
so is it that because they are content with their life? I mean, are they happy the way they are? So they don't.
They are very happy. They are very happy people. They are very happy people. That
So
is
they
a
don't
very
need to
important.
look for something more because they are already happy with life. They don't have much
See,
requirement.
this is a beautiful example. One day, I was very tensed in before the opening of the library. I was in a pan shop drinking a cup of chai with my friends. I met another missing guy. He knows me, an old missing guy. So he knows me very well. He said, "Hey, what's happening with you? You look very tensed." I said, "I don't know how we're gonna get the library done and all." He gave me an example.
Hmm.
Rishi, you know the sun, the air, and the water is free. What more you need? I could not define any other better example than that.
Correct.
GI Thakato to survive. Yeah,
We
somebody
don't
was
need money. I mean, I think.
we need it, but we have to have a plan first. Money, marketing, channelizing will come much later. What is the story we're going to tell first?
Mm. Yes, I think some other
So,
viewer would like to ask any
hello.
question. Any other
Yes, I have a
viewers?
question.
This will be
yes.
my last.
Yeah, Ruby Thakuria, you want to ask something more? Can I get back to you later on after Milin? Yeah, Milin, I think you can unmute yourself now.
Sure. Very interesting stories and very nice way of telling the story. I also believe in this story, so I think we will be a great team to work together. But except that I'm a little bit scared because you are saying that you are always breaking rules, and I like to follow rules. So anyway, my question is short, but before that, I was just saying that since you said that you already have children library, along with that, are you thinking of having seed library? Because if you do, then I would love to connect you with Mohan Bora, who is doing.
Yeah, I know him. I know Mohan very well. In terms of so what is happening is that off-let Milin, as you know, the handicraft industry will not run for another 2 years.
Yes.
The tourist won't be there. I'll give you another very sad example of what is happening. We as a people, we don't consider buying handicrafts for our homes actually. Like give an example to me only. See, all these mistakes, I'm also part of it. It's not I'm saving myself from all the mistakes actually, you know.
We all need to own it.
Just question, all of us who are here today, just question yourself how many times we have bought something for our homes to decorate. Very few, very negligible. We don't remember dates. So this is an example. So we live on people as a tourist who are coming in. Out of all my sales in 3 stores on handicraft, 70% sale happens from Pune and South India. Delhi people, obviously, Delhi people have always been crazy to buy something. So the statistics are outside people nahi hone se, I won't be able to sustain. So quickly I am transforming all the stores into community grown produces. Again, I'm fighting a big battle with the term called organic kind of. Because that's just one element of it, of the food produces. A community grown produce, it has medicinal values, it has herbs, it has wildly grown, so many perspectives. What organically grown and all kind of.
Rishika, I want to interrupt here. Okay. I know like we have lot of products in Assam, you call them, we name it as organic. Now, organic is a big fad outside today, outside Assam. All right.
True.
Now, only thing I feel that transportation is a problem. Today, you want to export something to other parts of India. How far we can think about it. I mean, I know
But
I live in Mumbai. Okay, I
yeah,
see that demands. Okay, especially during
yeah, yeah,
pandemic.
yeah.
I have
Mm-hmm.
talked to people. I mean, can we get pineapple here? Can we get this from Assam? Because
Yeah, yeah.
there are takers, there are people, there is demand. But knowing the system out there, um, I really don't know. What do you think?
See, first of all, when you set a venture, like this is a very new line for me. The I'm doing a lot of research. I see a friend of mine who is here from TIS Mumbai. Aman is there. Aman is doing a lot of research for me. I see Stuti is there, who always helps me with all my mistakes on translations and all. Everything, whatever goof ups I do with writings and all, she always helps me. I see a lot of people here, which are known to me. So I have always focused on the start off to a domestic market. I don't want to go into anywhere now because I have to learn. When I say about a community produces a wild grown produces, it is not abundance. Do we know the seasonality of it? And when I tell stories, I will be very peculiar on the spice journey or the non-perishable items which will be coming into the shelves, like ginger from Karbi Anglong. It has a name already. There's a community in you all know about Oroinok, who is an environment organization, and there are a few of my friends who's there today. I think Prosanjit is there from Oroinok. So I have tied up with Oroinok, and there a community is doing masoor dal, and it's been done with the hands. But yes, the capacity is 70 kilos at this point in time. So until and unless I know and I map the region in a very different way, I will not be able to commit it actually. But there is an interesting thing, like you talk about the pineapple. The Ukhrul pineapples are beautiful pineapples I've ever tasted. The problem is we all go into farming. Mati ase,
Nobody's into.
nobody is going into the processing of it so that it becomes a teen product. Then I can send it to you in Bombay. It will have a bigger shelf life. So there is a little bit lack of the sciences here. I was speaking to the DC of East Garo Hills. You all should see the page of East Garo Hills. He's a DC. He is selling on his office jackfruit chips, jackfruit jelly, jackfruit jam. See the amazing things he's doing actually. Because he believes in processing of these elements. Otherwise, kothal to amar karne bor difficult bostu khabole gundhai.
Yeah.
So the produces which happens, there are two things. One is who is a farmer who is producing, he should go into exports. All other people like me, I should focus into domestic consumption. Because I have a population of 23 lakhs in Guwahati. Can you believe it? Will I be able to cater to that
Cater
whole
to
of
them.
Guwahati? I won't be able to do it, ma'am. Because my producers are less first. If I have to focus on the producers, I have to know the chain. I have to map it. Before jumping into it, I will need 1 year's time to just go into it.
So we have both. I mean, we have demands now. I understand from
And
you.
again, I will put a stretch to add it up to you the stories. Immunity booster is nothing something from the rocket or it's coming in. Same jaluk, same halodi, same ginger, whatever you name it.
Yeah, well said. So do we have any other participants who would like to ask any question to Rishi?
But
Anybody?
Rishi did not answer my question though.
Can you just
Meaning, are you planning to have the seed library along with the booklet?
yeah,
That's
what I mean to say, yes, what I mean to say,
Yes.
the I cannot be on a front face for everything actually. I can link you up to somebody in Majuli who will run that for you. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Rishi.
yes,
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
yeah. So yes, this is like what you can do is that you can offlet, you can shoot an email to me. I will connect to the people there, people who has a different mindset. And if the infrastructure has been looked like the library, when we build the library, we can get space, but somebody has to take the responsibility, not in terms of money, in terms of usko khara karna hai. So in a village, when you work, somebody has to be at the grassroots. Otherwise, things don't happen. Band ho jata hai wo.
Okay. And I will call you, offline to talk about STEM education and also the sports.
Yeah, yeah,
education.
yeah,
Right,
yeah,
talk
yeah,
to you.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, Rishi.
Yeah. Anybody has any other question? Just shoot.
No, I asked you, Rishi, about the ongoing pandemic lockdown situation.
Yeah.
Do you have any work going on right now?
Yeah, I'm right now mapping the spices of Northeast. It's a
Okay.
very interesting thing. Kuntu Pat Kune Ki Khai. It's a very new thing. So it's a very crazy journey indeed. And a lot of people are helping me on it. So let me see. By August, I'm taking a target of coming into shelves.
Okay. It sounds nice.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hi.
Ruby.
Yeah, I mean, this is going to be my last question. So, as you're telling, right, and that they don't actually they understand life, and they don't have much, they are happy in their own life. So, what is it? Where is the need? Is it our need that we are going to them? What is the need? And like when for me, I know spending time with the community, we need to I mean, as you were doing it, right, we need to understand them, and you were doing that. But I am now I'm just a little confused that if what are the opportunities that we can help them in livelihood. So if you set up a library also, but what if it is not it is not making help as the way we want to see it? Because to do something, it's like, it's appreciable and it's okay, but like how the community is taking that, and what are the benefits the community is having? I think that's what is more important for
Okay, I'll explain it to you. What the benefits? What you said? If you have seen the Gumrag example, right? Bihu to hikar pisot ki hol tahator. Now they are artists. What I did was that, not I, whatever was in front of me was that there was a dance form which was from the community. I just bridged the gap to make them learn, and the magic they did it. So when you talk about livelihood, what is the medium you want to pick it up there? Weaving, a bamboo, or what is the medium? We have to map the first the medium, then the place where you want to do it. Then you have to do a questionnaire with them. What is your vision with this? Obviously, they will not have a vision on weaving. I mean, nijor karne koru. We do it for our own. Then you have to show him the way what you want to do with him. So this is about, see, there are a lot of things which on the ground only will teach you actually. Once you go into the ground, now who are the beneficiaries you want? We started almost 8 years back. I started alone, then all of the people joined. I'm opening a school without buying a piece of land. There is an 18 acres of land which has been donated by the community to open a school. Now, do you think it's like they don't have a vision or they don't believe in a vision or something? So this automatically happens. But first, we need to work. We need to stand with them. We need to understand. Then the phases
I mean,
journey
why?
about where you want to take it means.
I mean, only understanding them to make something good, right? Make something. I mean, the idea of betterment. I mean, better for them, right? So
Now
if
for you, okay, let's go on easier for you also. As per you, what is the meaning of betterment?
so that is what I am saying.
Fundamentally,
So
Hmm.
that is what I'm saying. See, the idea of betterment, or if not betterment, then the all this kind of capacity
Let's
building
go
or
one by one. Let
whatever
it
we
easier
can
for you
talk
also.
about. So so
Hmm.
we need to find the need, or is there any need? Is there any opportunity if to work on this? So I was just curious to know that how you were finding the opportunities to work with them. What are the opportunities that you work, and you made something more more mobilized, or more, say, easy handling for the community, for the for their
Hmm.
livelihood, or for anything, any technology you use, that a user or a
In
whatever they have.
Majuli, I am not. Okay, there's a little bit catch. In Majuli, I'm not doing any livelihood project first. The livelihood project, whatever I'm doing in different places, when I went there, when I sat with the community, there was a different problem which came to my mind and which I thought, let me pick up this role actually. So I picked up the role of children's. These three were the core elements to me, and I always stick to that. The livelihood programs, whatever I've been doing, I'm doing on the different sides of Assam, on different parts with different organizations who is already producing it. We are helping them. We are helping the SHGs to produce more, to weave more, give it to us, we sell. So like that. So it was never a livelihood model in Majuli. We never take money from the children for coming into the library. It was moreover for me to learn from them. If you ask me personally what I have benefited, I have learned. I've been able to talk because I learned from them.
Hmm.
It was never a model on selling or something. So there's a little bit because you have seen the presentation. I have never showed anything on the weaving I have done with them and all. It always talked my mistakes I have done, my learnings from there, and what I've been able to do with it. And I have not done anything. Trust me, Ruby. I have not done anything. Only the community people have shown you whatever has been shown there. Trust me. I just was there with them all the time.
Yeah, I think if I have understood Ruby correctly, I think she is basically looking forward to work there in that community where she thinks that, okay, they have a need. I want to go and tap on that particular area. So probably Rishi
Yeah.
can get her in touch with people in Majuli, where probably she can go and explore those areas, what she
Yeah,
is
yeah.
looking for. But having said that, I also remember in the beginning of the session,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think Rishi told it very clearly that you can't go there what they all the
Can't hear you.
avenues there, and then you put in your effort. It is hello.
Can you
Yeah.
repeat again?
I'm
Yeah, we
hearing.
can hear
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I think video is not there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I mean, I think Ruby, I can see that she is so much willing to go and work there, but I think she has to do little research going there, and I'm sure Rishi can help her in getting in touch with people who are already based in Majuli.
Yeah,
Probably
always,
they will
always.
know, yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
they will know the requirement, what Ruby is looking for, so that she can put in
Yeah.
her effort there. Yeah, do
Yeah,
we?
I would love to do that. I am interested. I think what I think it's even not doing work in livelihood. I can see that, but for I mean, whatever you do as a social enterprise, I would love to know also what are the things you are doing in other parts of the state, and
Yeah, yeah,
also what are the
yeah.
does it change anything, because and the market linkage is I have done a lot of internship in marketing things, and I know a little bit of, so I also want to understand how this marketing linkage or is helping the people who are actually doing the work.
Working
Thank you
there.
so much.
Yeah.
Anybody else has any question? I think Milin has already asked. Milin, do you have any more question? Any other participants?
I was not clear.
Yes,
How
Milin, do
did
you
you?
have any more
Yeah,
question?
yeah. I was not very clear. How did you land in Majuli? I mean, what you were just going there to
No, no, no.
see?
It was like the journey was from handicrafts only because we know like
Okay.
the missing community weaves brilliantly. So 8 years back, as a tourist, as I went, I spoke in the journey like why I went there. Then something got struck actually, and I was like in terms of I follow Sanjay Ghosh a lot actually, to be very honest. So I've been and I know his wife. I've been many times. Sanjay was a big time motivator for me in terms of all these things, whatever he was doing. So the biggest catch of Sanjay was he used to do protest by working. So that thing catched me, like the way he has done. So I went on a survey about understanding what Sanjay did there in different pockets and all. What was his, Nike, Sanjay Ghosh, who got abducted in 1996, 1995, and he never returned actually. Honestly, he's been killed. So that was one of the things which was curious in my mind. And I learned from the missing community the way they love Sanjay. When I spoke about Sanjay, people used to cry. I've seen it with my own eyes. Then I understood what Sanjay actually did. He never did anything for himself. He never set up an organization there. He only helped the people to come to the front face. Today, Majuli is popular only because of Sanjay. One of the incident which Sanjay when disappeared, it became a whatever. I will not talk about politics here much because obviously that is not our subject. It became an international issue. People started coming in. People started knowing. He was the only guy who believed in the missing community people first and foremost. Any of the Sapori Islands with the remote of the remorse, it's not there where Sanjay has not done a meeting. So you cannot believe in that. Like a person coming in from some other place, winning the hearts of the people. So there was something in me, like if I can do a little bit of Sanjay's efforts, whatever he's been doing, forgetting about myself, creating a name for the community. And always, as I said, the benefit is not only money. The benefit here, the biggest change is I went to teach them, but I came learning from them, and I'm always learning from them. Everywhere you cannot judge an entrepreneurship model in money. There are so many things actually. I'm going to universities, I'm going to few of the places where people are inviting me, not because this story doesn't have anything which talks about Rishi has done this and that. It talks about the community. The community has given me a chance to speak about them and the way they have been doing things in a very positive mindset.
Well
You
said,
are a
Rishi.
great storyteller.
No, no,
Nothing. Come on, we are giving a compliment and you're not taking any compliment. You seems to, for us, you seems to be a very good student and now a very good teacher. And
Yes.
I think that
So, sir,
we can learn quite a lot of things from you. So art is one of the things. I'm sure that we can connect with you about education and other stuff too. And your other journey, because I'm sure that this is just one part of you, right?
Yeah.
and sir, there's a question from our Facebook page from
Yeah.
Avilas Borua. You
Okay.
want to know what are your future plans?
See, rightly, I have to finish off the school within a year because I'm already delayed this year. I cannot do anything. So I have a model school coming up in Majuli on an 18 acres of land. I'm not the investor there. I don't have money to invest. Two ASME's professors in Howard are investing the whole of the money, whatever we need. The community is building. The whole of the education model from TIS Bombay, the students going to do a survey and we're going to come out with a very interesting educational model apart from the SEBA board, which we have to follow for the certificate particularly. And mostly the school will have a program on a cultural exchange program, which I've been speaking to a lot of universities from outside, from India, from everywhere. Children's, instead of working on different platforms, come over and get an opportunity to learn from the village children's, be it farming, be it anything, how to ply a boat on the river, how to swim on a river, whatever you want to name it. So that's a very interesting model we are working. It's a very huge task. Not so easy because none of us are from the educational background. The investors are from the educational background. We all are from pure-minded artists. And the second biggest challenge, what we are coming out with that, I need to get the shops running. The shelves has to run on the community gone produces a huge amount of stories I need to do. So this is something which is on a firefighting thing for us. And the school is a vision which gonna, now the village gonna benefit in a lot of other ways, like which slowly, in terms of how will we engage the communities to do a lot of other things, we're going to talk about it after 2 years. Just give me 2 years time to finish off the model. The first phase of the model is still class 5 we are building on an 18 acre of land, and hopeful, very hopeful, don't know how it's going to happen.
Mhm. Okay, sounds nice. Yeah, Priyanshu, do we have more questions?
Yeah, one more question from Gautam Saikia. I appreciate your concept of living art. I want to know that you have started a mission, but how will you view that living art is accepted by the coming generation without diluting its mission?
See, it's a very interesting thing. Actually, this is again a learning process. This is again a learning process for everyone. We also don't know what the future holds. But what I've been talking to all the members who are always associated with us and who represents a huge amount of youth wing on the creative aspect, we have to tell the story like Calcutta. The archival work of, be it medicinal plants or whatever, if we've been able to do it, everyone will benefit, trust me. Now, the problem is that a lot of these things are on a local language called Assamese. Amar বহুখিনি বস্তু, whatever is there, be it on a, there are books on medicinal plants. It's not something I'm reinventing or something, but those things have to come out in a different language now, on English, on art books, on something or the other, like Bhedailota. How many people knows about the young generation about Bhedailota? What is Bhedailota? So we have to create on our own. The living art is an aspect about rebirthing and containing all those elements in our society which we once we spoke highly about, or which has a place in our society, not in terms of Majuli flag. Let people know about the art, the architecture of these things, the language. There are so many beautiful folk stories of the missing community, but these are not being translated into English or a play or something or the other. So being represented artist community, it's a huge task, not only for me, I'm just a part of it. It's a big challenge to sum up all so many beautiful put together and come out with stories, the more of the stories. So the gentleman who asked the question, I have we have released a new documentary. We have a huge documentary section on unsung heroes, you want to name it, or whatever, people who are there or who are already doing it. There is a person, Pramod Soikia, who is preserving the medicinal trees from ages now for 30 years. Dedicated, he has dedicated some call to action on unsung heroes, you want to name it, who is preserving the medicines in Narayanpur, Madhavpur, the original place. And he has done a preservation center for stories. So you can go and check our YouTube channel there. That film is there. We recently launched that, and so these told art is not a very different subject for me. It's just a language. Anyone is an artist.
Priyanshu, I think there is some problem.
No, everything is fine.
Hmm?
So can you hear us?
Yeah, Rishi, can you hear us?
Yeah, I can.
Okay,
Absolutely.
okay, because it got. Yeah, any more question, Priyanshu? I can see somebody, it's in the name as Android Blue Droid, I don't know, but raised a hand. I think he or she has a question. Because name is not coming. It has come as Android Blue Droid.
Yeah, I tried to get his name, but he didn't reply.
But I can see a hand is raised. If can hear us, if you have a question, please ask, or else. So do I assume that we are done with the question answers? Any participants? Yeah, Milin?
Yeah, I'm done.
Please give your words. You are the main brain behind this entire platform of getting people like Rishiraj to people to inspire the young entrepreneurs, right? So please let us hear your input on the whole session today.
Yeah, I think it was an excellent session. I
Can we see you, Milin? Please switch on your video. I think it's not.
All right. Okay.
Please.
All right. The host has to allow me to share.
Yeah,
I did that.
Priyanshu, please.
Okay. All right. Can
Yeah,
you see
there
me?
you
All
are.
right.
Yes, we can see.
So, because initially I was not able to catch hold of him, so I was not sure whether we will have this session, whether he will show up or not. But everybody says so highly about Rishi, and I know that he had lots of ideas and so lots of things I think we can connect with, and I can see all his energy. He has so much of energy and so much of thought, and we cannot just have him only 1 hour. We have to have him many more sessions. As I told him, as I said, that I think he is an excellent student and a great teacher. We learned quite a lot today. Learned so much about Manjuli, and I hope that we see many more people like that. I wish that there's more people like you, taking one area of Assam, see how far we would go. You talking about Majuli, I wish that somebody is doing for Jurhat, somebody is doing for Dibrugarh, you know, um, lots of passion. I learned so much today, and thank you for spending 1.5 hours.
No. In between, Milind said, I just want to point out, I was speaking to a young artist from Horvuk, place in Borpeta. Off late, again, I pulled the person give me a story on the card making at Horvuk. Because I remember when I was a kid, my father used to get. No, that's okay. I was speaking to a young artist from Horvuk to give me a story. The other person who is from Horvuk is an artist. I told them, why don't you make a series on how the curd has been prepared in Horvuk? Because until and unless we tell the story, how will we know? The other person who is from Horvuk is an artist. I told them how the curd has been prepared in Horvuk, beautiful in Horvuk. So the language of art emerges everywhere, actually. And thanks to the whole team that you are putting in a lot of effort to accommodate people like me, because we don't get much platforms. Only on the institutes we get a lot of platforms, because I speak a lot of things from my experience, not from any other things, actually. This is a journey which whether you will be accepted or you won't be accepted. That's all. But the opportunities you can learn. So that is where the core is, and the storytelling happens from that aspect. Thank you, everyone, and bear me if I've spoken anything wrong or something, because whatever knowledge I had, only from the field and speaking to people, and that's all. The
No,
journey.
Rishi, you spoke from your heart, okay? So you don't need to worry about it, what you said. You gave us the true picture of your journey, including the, illegal thing that you have done, as you said, okay? That was the best part. I mean, we are
Okay.
as long as we don't harm anyone, and it was with
Yeah.
all good intentions. All right, so thank you, Rishi, and I think Milind will also agree, and the entire team manager will agree with me. We need to have more session with you, because we find that it's not only one particular area that you have been working. Now, knowing that you are coming up with a huge school, then I think our next topic where we can have you as our speaker is education. So we will have more of you presenting you to the young people.
Yeah, so what I can do is that the journey about coming up to a school, I can share it there. There is a presentation which has been worked with the people from TIS Bombay. It's a combination of a presentation from a lot of people. So I will take you through what made me go through a school coming in from a very different aspect, actually. What was the pull in there, and what is the model we are trying to build in, actually.
Yeah, we look forward. We look forward. So Milind, anything more? Milind, do you have anything else to share?
I was also wondering if you have some other talent too, school, and I mean, I would also like to know about your business point of view. How good are you? How is your Mati going as a business? That could be a part of the entrepreneurship. This is not necessarily entrepreneurship thing. This year we really wanted to talk about art, basically.
Yeah. So next session probably we can talk about.
I think the education model is something which is very important, because education as a model is being stuck somewhere, actually, what I feel. It's not about I'm going to do everything right. Again, it's all those mistakes. I'm going to show it to you why I came into that picture. And it's a very new topic subject for a lot of people around the world. So It's a very important thing actually, because the concept of an alternate education is quite picking up. You know about the Green School Bali, which is coming up in a very big way, where they teach about something very different about life. They don't teach earning money or entrepreneurship or something. They teach human values, which is one of the most expensive thing now at this point in time.
Yeah, yeah, true.
So I hugely follow Bali School, Green School Bali, which has been a hub of like whatever they're doing.
Okay,
One
so we
one
schedule
question I
it.
had.
Yeah, yeah.
Question I had about the school: who will be the student? Who are you catering to? The local people, or there will be like
See, what
rich
I'll do
people
is
from
that
Guwahati?
uh,
Yeah.
I want to cover that. It's a little bit big discussion. If I talk now, so all the people will be demotivated now. Arey,
No,
yeah,
no,
I
we'll
have to
catch up.
बोलने-
No.
Yeah.
We'll
Yeah,
catch you soon with that
all the
education
surveys are
part.
done. All the surveys are done. It's all on Google Map. Any new element, modern element, सब चोरी करके किया हूँ. So what is happening is that because until and unless I have a GIS planning been done on why the school there, how Highland, what is the island where I'm doing up a school, I approached a young person from the agriculture department. I can't name it. And the GIS software is very expensive. In another 50 years, I won't be able to afford it. So she helped me illegally plotting everything. So everything is on paper. How many, what you want to know, how many villages, how many children, what is the age group, what is the nutrition level. You speak about anything, I'll give it to you. Everything has been plotted. But illegally. Again, I'm saying. I
Then I
cannot
think we
afford.
can't go public now.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we will wind up here. Team
Yeah.
Anajori, Priyanshu,
Yeah.
do you have
Yes,
anything
ma'am.
to ask Rishi? Do you have any question for Rishi?
Sir, do you think local to vocal can be a market for your
Obviously,
community?
because see, whatever we are saying, no, we have to correct the storytelling first.
Yeah.
I will see if you have seen me on the camera, I'll touch your feet and I'll bend like this. Please, we have to correct the storytelling first. Whoever
Yeah.
it is, it's been a mess, complete mess. So until and unless আমি নিজৰ জেগাটো যেতিয়ালৈকে নিজে ভাল পাই ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিব নোৱাৰো নহয়, it will not happen. See
Yeah.
how pridely a Bengali represent Calcutta.
Yeah.
কাজিয়া লাগি
So
যায়.
we need lot of genuineness in our approach towards our life and the place.
And the
right?
day we said we have done everything, we are this, it's gone actually. Don't believe in that.
Yeah, correct.
যদিও
It has to
কোনোবাই
become
কৈছে
our
নহয়,
way of life.
I don't believe in that. It never attracted me. I will suggest all of you to see a person called Bunker Roy. There is a TED Talk speech of him. Whatever we are talking now, he has done it in 1967. One man. So that's where we are. Now see where our stories are, how much we need to travel actually. Whatever we are saying, that video will surprise you, will change all your thoughts. I'm 100% sure about it.
Yeah.
Yes. So
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you, Rishi.
Yeah.
Thank you, Milene. Thank you, our participants. Milene, can we call it a day now?
Yes. You did an excellent job. We need you more.
Thank you,
Okay,
Milind. Thank you.
Rishiraz. Thank you to all our participants for being here. And Rishi, it was really an enlightening session. Believe me, I mean, lots to learn from you. And the best part, I think, that you have never ceased to be a student. You have never ceased to be a learner. That is what I truly appreciate about you after listening to this last 1.5 hours today. I think that's a very important attitude in life, that we don't stop learning. We don't, we learn from all the situation we get into. And that's how I think we enrich our life and we keep moving ahead. Right? So
Yeah,
thanks,
true.
Rishi. Yeah, thank you, Rishi.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, everyone, for being a part of our program today, and hope to see you in future programs as well. We have this whole of this week lined up, many other topics, many other topic of discussions with well-known speakers. So do tune to us for this week at least at 6 p.m. All right. Thank you. Yeah. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.